Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is January 2nd, 2025, and we will be taking an in-depth look at Tesla's stock, Tesla, and discussing current events, news, and price action. Recent news sources like Yahoo Finance, CNBC, and MarketWatch report TSLA's closing price at $403.84, down 3.25% on Tuesday. Analysts highlight Tesla deliveries as a key factor to watch, with expectations for a record quarter. Many articles focus on key price levels, discussing potential support and resistance zones. Let's start by examining the daily chart for Tesla. We can clearly see a downward trend in recent days, with the stock closing below its 21-day moving average for the first time in a while. This indicates a potential weakening in the bullish sentiment. Zooming in on the last week of trading, we can see increased volatility with several significant price swings. A clear resistance level seems to be forming around the $420 mark. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the intraday price movements. This time frame reveals that the price has been consolidating in a tight range for the past few hours, with support around $415 and resistance at $425. Notice the increased volume during periods of significant price changes, suggesting strong buying or selling pressure. These volume spikes can be valuable indicators of trend changes. Finally, the 15-minute chart provides an even finer-grained view of price action. Here, we observe multiple instances of short-term fluctuations, creating patterns that could be useful for scalpers or traders with shorter holding periods. If we correlate this with the news, we see that the recent decline in TSLA's price may be related to concerns about the company's Q4 delivery numbers. However, positive news regarding future product launches or technological advancements could potentially reverse the trend. Based on this analysis, several key price levels emerge. The $415 level on the 1-hour chart serves as immediate support, while $425 acts as resistance. Breaking above $425 could potentially trigger a move towards $440, while a break below $415 could lead to further decline towards $400. The likelihood of these scenarios depends on various factors, including overall market sentiment, news releases about Tesla, and competitor actions. Positive news could reinforce the possibility of a move upwards, surpassing the $425 resistance. Conversely, negative news or lack of progress on deliveries could result in lower prices. To summarize, the short-term outlook for Tesla seems bearish, with potential support at $415 and resistance at $425. The long-term outlook is more uncertain, dependent on the company's Q4 delivery numbers and future news. Traders should watch the $415 and $425 levels closely, as their breach could signal significant short-term price movements. Additionally, keep an eye on news releases and overall market trends for additional clues.